This project is all about supporting needy artists to help them obtain recognitions and earnings. A lot of artists, including painters, sculptors, and even photographers, possess immense talents in their respective field of arts. But those artists often fail to use their talents up to its full potentials as poverty forces them to leave their respective arts and look for other ways of earning. The artists often need to procure art materials and also find platforms to sell and showcase their arts. But such initiatives need funds which those artists are missing. Apart from funds, they also lack the knowledge and information regarding the available platforms and where they can place their artworks. The objectives of CraftTech is to identify the talented yet needy artist. The next objective is to provide the needy artists with art materials and platforms to showcase and sell their respective artworks. And the third objective is to groom the artists to develop promotional and marketing skills, which is very needed in this era. We are inviting artworks from artists in both online and offline mode. We are tying up with hotels, resorts, restaurants, cafes, sweet shops, and other establishments and will put up the artworks at these places. The management of the establishments will be encouraged to approach their patrons to buy the artworks. As one portion of the selling price can be retained by these establishments, they will be eagerly doing so. CraftTech has already roped in some artists and eateries.
हम बहुत खुश हैं आर्ट ड्राइव प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। हमारा आर्ट पब्लिक प्लेस में लोग देखेंगे, किसी को पसंद आया तो आप खरीद भी सकते हैं। इसमें हमारा कुछ अर्निंग भी होगा और इसमें कुछ हमारा अर्निंग भी होगा और बहुत इनकरेजिंग उद्योग है।
हम बहुत खुश हैं इस आर्ट ड्राइव प्रोजेक्ट के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं। अब हमारे जैसे आर्टिस्ट लोगों को भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा काम करने के लिए। ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ही इनकरेजिंग है हमारे लिए। इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोगों का भी कुछ अर्निंग होगा। आप लोग अगर हमारा साथ दे तभी हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे। थैंक यू।
We took the artworks to framing workshops and prepared them to be exhibited. Finally, the first artworks has got ready for exhibition in a restaurant. We are definitely thankful to the restaurant owner Niladri Banerjee for his cooperation.
मैं होटल प्रतिष्ठाती का मालिक हूँ। कैफटेक जो संस्था है, इधर का जो काम चल रहा है खूब अच्छा लगता है। इसमें जो आदमी काम करता है हाथ का काम बहुत अच्छा है। आप आइए, इसका साथ जुड़िए, इसका मनोबल बढ़ाइए और इसका साथ सहयोगिता करिए। नमस्ते।
We have also created social media pages of CraftTech. We have also tied up with a popular website where they created a dedicated section for CraftTech. Luckily, within a short time, we have got our first buyer, Mr. Deep Kumar.
दीप कुमार दास, मैं रेस्टोरेंट में आता हूँ, डेली का कस्टमर हूँ, लेकिन ये फ़ोटो देखकर मेरे को खूब अच्छा लगा। इसके लिए मैं ये फ़ोटो खरीद लिया। ये भैरव के पास से ये आप लोग सपोर्ट करो, आप लोग भी खरीदो। बहुत अच्छा पिक्चर है, इसका हाथों का काम बहुत बढ़िया है। थैंक यू।
Hopefully, in coming days, CraftTech will be able to reach out many more artists and help them continue their passion.